हरि ओम अनेजदेकं मनसो जवीयो नैनद्देवा आप्नुवन् पूर्वमर्षत् तद्धावतोऽन्यानत्येति तिष्ठत्तस्मिन्नपो मातरिश्वा दधाति. In this verse, we can see few attributes of Narayana. Anejadekam. Anejat, Acharya Madhva says, Anejan nirbhayatvat tat. Anejat means fearless. God has no fear. That's why Upanishad calls him Anejat. Usually, Sanskrit grammarians say yejr dhatu, yejr verb is in the meaning of movement. But Acharya Madhva gives quotation from ancient grammar. Yejr company. Anejat nirbhayatvat tat. That's why Anejat, God is fearless. Ekam, Acharya Madhva says, pradhanyatastatha. Rest of all depend on God. That's why God is the main reality in this world. Ekam. Manaso Javiyaha. He is faster than mind. Naina Deva Apnuvan Purvamarshat. Even deities do not know God completely. Yenat Devaha na Purvam Apnuvan. By the grace of God, they can know incompletely, but they cannot know completely because they have no power to know completely. Arshat, he is full of knowledge. Acharya Madhva quotes the verb Rishajnani. Tadhavatonnyan atyeti tishtat tasmin napoma tarishva dadhati. He overcomes all types of runners just by standing. Tadhavatonnyan atyeti tishtat. It means God is omnipresent. Tasmin napo, and other meaning is without an effort, God will conquer all types of things. Tadhavatonnyanathyeti tishtat tasmin napo matarishva dadhati. Matarishva, Mukhya Prana, on the behalf of us, he will dedicate all types of deeds into lotus feet of God. Without media called Mukhya Prana, we cannot reach the God. Upanishad says, in all Upanishads, Mukhya Prana's Mahima is told. Tasmin napoma tarishva dadhati. Apaha means not only water. Apaha means, Trivikrama Pandita says, apayanti punyani papani cheti apaha karmani. We will attain bliss and sadness. By what? Our action. Answer is our action. So all types of deeds will be dedicated in the God through the media of Mukhya Prana. Tasmin napoma tarishva dadhati. Even Samhita says, Manaspate imam deva yagnam swaha vate dhaha. Even Samhita says like this. Tadejati, tannejati, taddure tadvantike, tadantarasya sarvasya, tadu sarvasyasya bahyataha, tadejati. Tat means not that. Tat means it is the fifth case. By that. All over the world, fearing, trembling from Narayana. Tat yejati. Tat means tasmat. By that. Tadejati. But God have no fear because there is no conqueror. There is no winner. There is no greater than God. That's why. Tannejati. Taddure. He is not reachable. Tadvantike. But he is innermost. Tadantarasya sarvasya. He is in everything. Everyone. Tadu sarvasya bahyataha. He stays beyond of all type of world. Sarvasya bhashyataha tatu yastu sarvani bhutani atmanyevanupashyati sarva bhuteshu chatmanam tato na vijugupsate. To be fearlessness, to be fearless, what we have to meditate? Because meditating God's attributes will bring us to have attributes. How to meditate God? To be fearless. Upanishad says, Yastu sarvani bhutani atmanyevanupashyati. One who thinks all types of world, Atmani, stays in Narayana. Sarva bhuteshu chatmanam. He is omniscient and omnipresent. Tato na vijgupsate. Who thinks God like this? He won't fear from anybody or anything. Because he trusts God who has no fear. That's why. Yasmin sarvani bhutani atmaiva bhudvijanataha. Sadhaka sees God at everywhere. Yasmin sarvani bhutani atmaiva bhudvijanataha. Tatra komoha kashokaha ekatvam anupashyataha. When he see God is everywhere, or omnipresence of God, why he will fear from other things? He won't fear. He can't have fear. Tatra komoha kashokaha ekatvam anupashyataha. Yasmin paramatmani sarva bhutani स परमात्मैव तत्र सर्वभूतेषु अभूत् एवं सर्वभूतेषु एकत्वेन आत्मानं विजानतः को मोहः. He cannot be an ignorant. He knows. Ignorance is the source for fear. When we conquer ignorance, we can conquer fear also. How to conquer ignorance? By knowledge, we can conquer ignorance. What type of knowledge? That knowledge is knowledge of omnipresence of God. That is the ignorance remover. That knowledge is ignorance remover. So where there is no ignorance, there cannot be a fear. That's why to be fearless, meditate God's attribute, especially God's omnipresence. Saparyagat chukramakayam abranam asnaviram chuddhamapapaviddham kaviram manishi paribhu swayambhu yatha tatyatorthan vyadadhat shashvatibhyas samabhyah. Saparyagat, sadhaka will know God, how God is. Upanishad says, Shukram. What is the meaning of Shukram? Acharya Madhva says, Shukram tatchokarahitam. Shukram tatchokarahitam. He is always full of bliss. There is no shoka. Abranam nitya purnataha pavanatvat sada shuddham akayam lingavarjanat. There is no linga sharira. We cannot translate it in English because there is no concept of linga sharira. Linga sharira is subtle body of jiva which covers real nature of jiva. That is linga sharira, we say. Akayam, God has no linga sharira. That's why God is akaya. Abranam nitya purnataha, Acharya Madhva says. Meaning of Abranam is who is full of attributes. Abranam nitya purnataha. Asnaviram, Acharya Madhva says, Sthula dehasya rahityat asnaviram udahritam. Sthula dehasya rahityat. He has no mortal body because he is mortal bodiless. That's why he is asnaviram. Asnaviram shuddham. He is always pure, cannot be an impure. That's why shuddham apapaviddham, there is no sins. Apapaviddham, sin is the cause for ignorance. There is no sins in God. That's why there is no ignorance. Kavihi. Kavihi means not only poet. He knows everything. That's why he is Kavihi. Manishi. He He is controller of minds, even minds of deities like Brahma, Rudra. He controls. That's why Manishi Paribhuhu Sarvato Varaha. He is greater than all. That's why he is Paribhuhu Swayambhuhu. He is self-dependent. He is not dependent at all. That's why he is Swayambhuhu. Yatha tatyatorthan vyadadhat chashvatibhyas samabhyah. He made this world as Purvakalpa. We may say infinity of time, but when we do not agree Yuga Chakra, acceptance of infinite time will be waste. When we agree infinity of time, we must agree Yuga Chakra and Kalpa and etc. If there is no dividing authority, we cannot accept infinity of time. That's why Upanishad says, Yatha tatyatorthan vyadadhat shashvatibhyas samabhyah. By infinite time, he is creating the world. He created the world like this. He is creating world like that. And he will create the world like this. We have to know. This type of power of Narayana is true. It cannot be in vain. It is not like magic. He has perfect power. That's why he can create world exactly. That's why we have to know there is no difference between God and his attributes. He is creator always. He created the world. He will create the world. He is creating the world. He ruled the world. He is ruling. He will rule. This told in this sentence, Yatha tatyatah arthan vedadha chashvatibhyas samabhyah. Some rules are eternal. It may be physical rule, it may be mental rule, it may be material rules. All types of rules are eternal. Even Samhita says, Dhata yatha purvama kalpayat iti. This is the principle of the world. Then how to live? This is the reality of the world. Then how to live? Andhan tamapravichanti ye vidyamupasate tato bhuya ivate tamoya usambhutyangrataha. One should refute what is false. One should refute what is incorrect. But only refutation of the incorrect things is not style of life. Andhan tamapravichanti ye vidyamupasate. Some who refute only, they fall in naraka, they fall in hell. Tato bhuya ivate tamoya uvidyayam rataha. Some say what is correct. They don't. Only refutation of incorrect is not correct. Only presentation of correct is incorrect. It is also. We have to refute what is incorrect. We have to present what is correct. We have to do both things. Anyadevahur vidyaya, anyadahur avidyaya, iti shushrumadhiranam, yenastadvita chakshire. Anyadevahur vidyaya, presenting what is correct. Presentation of correct thing is told vidya. Vidya means not an education. Vidya means not knowledge also. Presentation of correct things or presentation of right things is vidya. Anyadevahur vidyaya. There is one type of fruit by presenting correct. Anyadahur avidyaya. Anyadahu avidyaya. By the refutation of incorrect, we can have another fruit. Iti shushruma dhiranam yenastadvyacha chakshare. Traditionally, when we listen it, we can know it. Iti shushruma dhiranam yenastadvyacha chakshire. Only depending upon refutation, only depending upon presentation is not correct. Vidyancha avidyancha yastadvedo bhayam saha. One should know right thing and present it. One should refute the incorrect. We have to do both of them, both of these things. Vidyancha avidyancha yastadvedo bhayantah avidyaya mrutyum tirtva vidyaya mrutamashnute. By the refutation of bad things, we will be out of dangerous. We will be out of danger. Vidyaya mrutamashnute. By the presenting correct things, we can have bliss. Andhan tamapravijanti ye sambhuti mupatate. And another thing is about meditation of God, how to meditate God. Some say God is only creator. Some say God is only destroyer. We have to meditate these two qualities. It is qualities of God. God is not only creator. God is not only predator or killer or destroyer. Andhan tamapravijanti ye sambhuti mupatate. Some think God as only creator. God creates these things. Satan will come and destroy this world. It is disbelief. It is not correct. God is the creator. God is the destroyer. Some say man will create it. but nature will destroy it. So when you say nature is God, God will be destroyed. Some say like this. Upanishad says it is not correct. God is creator, God is destroyer. But he will be out of sins. It is power of God. That's why when we meditate only creation of God, we will be in hell. Andhan tamapravijanti ye sambhuti mupatate. When we meditate, God is only destroyer. We will be also in hell. Iti shushruma dhiranam yenastadvyacha chakshire. Traditionally, we listened it. My guru told like this. And master of my master told it to my master. God is creator and God is destroyer. Sambhutincha vinachancha yastadvedo bhayang saha vinachena mrityum tirtva sambhutyamrutamashmute. Sambhutincha vinachancha yastadveda ubhayang saha. We have to meditate these two attributes of God, destroying and creating. Vinashena mrityum tirtva. When we think destruction power of God, we will be out of danger. Because we know what is the real cause for destruction. Jnana is important. Knowledge is an important. By the knowledge, perfect knowledge, we will be out of danger. By the imperfect knowledge, we will be in hell. That's why we should know correctly. This is the message of life. This is the message how to lead life perfectly. When we know the things imperfectly or incorrectly, it will be crime. Knowledge which is imperfect leads us to crime. Because what is crime? Gambling is crime. Gambling is crime. How it will be crime? There is no knowledge of correct. That's why. Without an effort, I will have all the wealth. That is crime. Thief believes. Thief will believe without an effort I can have wealth. That is crime. Killing without an authority is crime. These things, all types of these crimes based on ignorance, based on imperfect knowledge. That's why you do not have an imperfect knowledge or incorrect knowledge. You will be criminal. When we going to lead a life, perfect life, we will be full of knowledge. That knowledge is based on Vedas. To execute it, Manusmriti will come, or Smritis will come. But basic things are told in Vedas. Basic of ethics, basement of ethics, told in Vedas. But we have to go up. Dharma is duty, artha is wealth, kama is desire. Overcoming these things, but using it, we have to go up. We have to get salvation. How to do it? Thus spake Manu, हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण सत्यस्यापि हितं मुखं तत्त्वं पूषन् अपावृणु सत्यधर्माय दृष्टये. हिरण्मयेन पात्रेण. We may have insight, but in the splendor of sunlight, we cannot see inside. That's why Tattvam Pushan Apavrunu Hiranmayena Patrena is metaphor for Surya Mandala. We do not have an insight because we have an ignorance. We don't know what is correct, what is inner and what is inert. What is an insight? To know it, we have to overcome these things. That's why Rishi prays, Hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham. Hiranmaya patra is, Acharya Madhva says, Patram Hiranmayam Surya Mandalam Tamudahritam. It is metaphor. Hiranmayena patrena. God is inner of Surya Mandala. When we chant Gayatri daily, meaning of Gayatri is Surya Narayana, who is inner of Surya Mandala. That's why we say Dhyaya Sada Savitra Mandala Madhyavarti, who is inner of Surya Mandala. We have to meditate him. Meaning of that verse. Hiranmayena patrena satyasyapi hitam mukham. God is Satya because he is full of virtue and he is defectless. That's why Satya. Satyasyapi hitam mukham. Face of God is covered by Surya Mandala. Tattvam Pushan Apavrunu. Remove it. Satya Dharmaya Drishtaye. Sadhaka will be Satya Dharma. He is going to have God. He is trying to see God. That's why he is Satya Dharma. Satya Dharmaya Drishtaye. Satya Dharmaya Bhaktaya. Acharya Madhva says Satya Dharma is named for Bhakta. Bhakta's Dharma is Satya. Dharma means action, you can say it. Dharma is not religion. Dharma is an action in this meaning, in this context. Satya Dharmaya Drishtaye. I will be Satya Dharma. I have to see you, but your face is covered by Surya Mandala. Remove it. We have to see your face. Pushanne karche yamaturja prajapatya vyuha rashmin. Pusha purnatvatah. Ye karshe Vishnuhu Ekarushirjneyaha. Eka means mind. Rishi is knower or saint. Ekarishe, he is mind. Mind reality in this world. And Rishi, he knows everything. That's why he is Rishi. There is no necessity of secondary source to God. God sees all directly. That's why he is Ekarishi. Pushan Ekarshe Yama. He is controller of all the world. That's why he is Yama. Meditating this attribute, Yama has become Yama. Originally, the name Yama belongs to Narayana. Originally, all types of names belong to Narayana because he is having these attributes. Yama, Suryaha. Real meaning of Surya is Narayana. Because Surya means scholarly people or saints. Reachable by only saints is Surya. In this manner, we cannot call sun as Surya because he will be visible by fools like us. That's why in the real meaning, he cannot be a Surya. So, Surya is Narayana in the real manner. Suryasya Surigamyatva Prajapatehe Vitetenaiva Gamyatva. Prajapatya is another attribute of God. Only Brahma can know completely. Prajapati means Brahma. Because Praja, who knows well, he is Praja. Prakarshena Jananti. Praja Prajapatya is who is only known by Brahma completely. That's why he is Prajapatya. Prajapatya Vyuha Rashmin. Prajapatya Vyuha disperse these things which is cover of Narayana. Prajapatya Vyuha Rashmin Samuha Tejo Yatte Rupam Kalyanatamam Tatte Pashyami. Samuha Tejaha, give me a power by which we can see you clearly. Yatte Rupam Kalyanatamam Tatte Pashyami. Yosa Vasau Puruchas Sohamasmi. Ya is full of knowledge in Gatam. Yosau Asau Purushaha. The Narayana, omniscient, he is inner of Mukhya Prana. Actually, he is inner of all jivas, but Mukhya Prana knows correctly. That's why inner of Mukhya Prana we say. Upanishad says, Yosa Vasau. Asu means Mukhya Prana. Asau in the Mukhya Prana. In Mukhya Prana, he lies or he stays. Yo sa vasau puruchaha sohamasmi, he is saha. He stays away. That's why he is saha. Saha ahamasmi. Secret name of God is aham. What is the etymological meaning of aham? Is unshunnable. We cannot shun him. We cannot leave you. We can leave you, but I cannot leave myself. Just like that, I cannot leave God. That's why he is aham, unshunnable. Hanat, he is unshunnable. Ahamasmi, asmi is name of God also. Apparently, it seems like a verb, but it is word. It is noun. Asmi. Astita mana. Asmi nityastita mana. Only eternal reality and which is self-dependent is Narayana. That's why he is Asmi. Sarva jivechu samstitaha. Swayam tu sarva jivebhyo vyatirikta paro harihi. He differs from all types of souls, all types of deities. He remains as Sarvottama. That's why Ahamasmi. Vayuranilam amrutam athedam bhasmantam shariram. Vayu is the eternal. Vayu is the eternal reality. But one day he will lose his body, but not God. Vayuranilam amrutam athedam bhasmantam shariram. This is the world. We have to know non-eternal existence of body, non-eternal existence of the world, non-eternal design of atoms, non-eternal design of Bhuta Sukshma. When we know it, we can have devotion towards God. Mahima Jnana is best for devotion. That's why Upanishad speaks about world. This is the statement of Upanishad. All types of realities are non-existent or non-eternal. But God is only eternal and self-dependent. Lakshmi is also eternal, but she is dependent on God. But God is different from Lakshmi also. We have to meditate. So, in the third session of Upanishad, or third part of Upanishad, there is presentation of God. And second class, second chapter or second varga, Upanishad says how to live. How to live. What will be best lifestyle of us? It told. Om krato smara kritam smara. Krato smara kritam smara. Krato, oh, full of knowledge, Narayana. Smara, remember us. Krato smara kritam smara, don't forget. Please consider us. Question rises, when God will forget, it is the defect. Forgetting is defect. The defect about ignorance. Is God ignorant? Acharya Madhva says, it is not like that. Bhaktanam smaranam Vishnoho nityajnapti swarupataha anugrahon mukhatvantu naivanyat kochidishyate. Smara, remember us. This is the word. The meaning behind this word is, please see with graceful sight. It is the meaning. But word is like that, remember us. It doesn't show defect on God. Krato smara kritam smara. Krato smara kritam smara. This is pray to the Lord with emotion. The last hymn says how to pray God. Ajnenaya supatharaye asman vishwani deva vayunani vidwan yuyodhyasmajjuhuranameno bhuishtante nama uktim vidhema. Agne Narayana Supathanaya, bring us by wonderful road, bring us by correct road. Why? Raye, for wealth. There is two types of wealth. There are two types of wealth. One is wealth of knowledge and material wealth. Ajnenaya Supatharaye. These two types of wealth is attainable to us, attainable by us. Ajnenaya Supatharaye asman vishwani deva vayunani vidwan. Deva, O God, vishwani vayunani vidwan. You are know everything. Vayuna means jnana. Taddattaya vayunaye damachashta vishwam, Bhagavata says. That's why vayunam jnanam. Let us have all types of knowledge. Yuyodhyasmajjuhuranamenaha. Getting degrade is by ignorance. So remove our ignorance. Bhuishtante nama uktim vidhema. You are doing so much good for us, but we cannot give you. We cannot give you. That's why Bhuishtante nama uktim vidhema. Just salutation is our presentation. Just salutation. Just salutation. Bhuishtante nama uktim vidhema. Purna Shakti Chidananda Shri Tejas Spashtamurtaye Mamatyadhika Mitraya Namo Narayanayate. Acharya Madhva concludes. Purna Shakti Chidananda Shri Tejas Spashtamurtaye Narayanaha Shaktya Purnaha Jnanena Purnaha Anandena Purnaha Shriya Purnaha Tejasa Purnaha Narayana Eva. and Narayana is mama atyadhika mitraya, my bestest friend. Acharya Madhvaha braviti mama atyadhikam mitramayam tadrishaya Narayanaya namaha. He concludes it. Yagniya Mantropanishad Acharya Madhvasya जीवनेपि द्रष्टुं शक्या मध्वविदय चिंतनेन तत्स्फुटी भवति इति उक्त्वा विरमामि। उपनिषदुक्त रीत्या एतत् सर्वं भगवते समर्पयामि। सदोषं वा विदोषं वा स्वीकृत्य अनुगृह्णातु इति प्रार्थये। कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।